Start. Right, today's is so we're going to go over about cube root, square root, Q-U-A-R-E, square root versus cube root, cube root. Square root is, for example, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, these 2 is said to be square root, U-A-R-E, and 4 is said to be perfect square, perfect square. The reason is 2 times 2 is 4, but we can also write that, hey, 2 times 2, that is 2 squared. So it is 4 is perfect square because it is actually 2 square, and this one of them is said to be square root. So if we have a 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 is perfect square because we are able to write 3 square. And this thing, this 3 is said to be square root of 9. So if you want to, instead of writing in English, 3 is square root of 9, we write this. Square root of 9 is 3. So they meant the same thing. Why that is true? Because 9 is 3 square. Therefore, the square root cancels out, leaving only 3. That wasn't that bad. I don't think it is bad. I think this is actually easy. So if we have a perfect square root of 16, that means, hey, 16, who are you? 16 goes, I am actually 4 squared. Do you see the square and square root? When they see each other, they cancels out, become 4. Right. Now let's go to the cube root. Cube root is something you multiply 3 times. So if I have a 1 times 1 times 1 is equal to 1, therefore 1, this guy is perfect cube. And this one right here, these ones are said to be cube root of 1. The way that we write, the reason is, hey, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1 to the third power, or 1 cube. Or that's just still 1 anyways. So this is said to be, again, that is a perfect cube. And this one is 1. This one is cube root of 1. Instead of writing in English, we can write cube root of 1 is 1. The reason is 1 times 1 times 1, 1 to the third power, and cube root of 1 to the third power is 1, because cube and cube root cancels out. Notice there's a little 3. That means it's a cube root. And let's do another example. If you have 2 times 2 times 2, which is, let's see, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8. Therefore, 8 is perfect cube, and this 2 is cube root of 8. The way we write in mathematically is cube root of 8 is 2. Why? Because 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 cube of cube root. Do you see the cube and cube? Cube root of 2 cube, 2 cubed. Then you cancel out, become 2. We have another example. We could do 3 times 3 times 3, which is 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. So 27 is said to be perfect cube where this 3 is said to be cube 3. This 3 is cube root of 27. If you want to write in mathematically, cube root of 27 is 3, because 27 is 3 cubed, and cube root of 3 cubed, cube cancel, leaving only 3. Okay. I'm gonna find my and then stop sharing.